So Ducatis do this thing where there's a lot of pressure when the bike's hot. Bro, yesterday it literally erupted. Like all over the bike, all over my helmet, this hoodie, like yeah, fuel just everywhere, all over the gas pump. Yeah, bro.
Bro.
Oh, my eyes.
Holy fuck.
Bro.
Every time?
Yeah, only when it's like really hot. So if I've been riding, then yeah. So I've got to like depressurize it.
It's like a fucking Coke bottle.
Oh.
Oh my god. No, that's ridiculous.
How are you supposed to own this bike?
You can't.
Nah.
That's holy shit. That's insane. That's actually insane.
So it's like, how do I fuel it up? Yeah. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this.
Sorry about that. I just wanted to take a quick couple pictures to go to
Dangerous.